Have you ever noticed somebody's fingertips enlarged and bulbous and rounded? This is not just a cosmetic variation. It's something called clubbing, and it can be because of very dangerous things. Hello, my name is Dr. Shweta, and today we are going to discuss about the topic clubbing, which is an important sign in a clinical examination. At the end of this video, you'll know the causes, what are the important things that we need to discuss regarding clubbing, and why doctors consider this as an important sign. Sign is called digital clubbing, and it is also known as Hippocratic fingers. And Hippocrates defined and explained it over 2400 years ago. So yes, this is very important sign. A sign characterized by specific changes in appearance of the fingers, in shape of the fingers, and it includes fingers and the toes as well. तो नॉर्मली हमारे नेल्स में नेल बेड के और क्यूटिकल के बीच में एक एंगल बनता है जिसको बोलते हैं लोबी बॉन्स एंगल, जिसका मेजर है अबाउट 160 डिग्रीज. बट अगर ये 180 डिग्रीज से ऊपर चला जाता है तो हमारी फिंगर्स जो है वो बल्जिंग लगती हैं, राउंडेड लगती हैं, एंड दैट साइन इज कॉल्ड क्लबिंग. And yes, in clubbing, Lowy Bond's angle is lost and it measures up to 180 degrees. Clubbing होता है ना, वो stages में होता है. उसका पहला stage होता है softening of nail bed, and then we lose the angle of Lowy Bond, and then the curvature increases, and then the final stage is पूरा का पूरा drumstick appearance हो जाता है. And do you know ये कितने टाइम में होता है? The thing is, ये process usually जल्दी नहीं होती है. It takes over years and years to develop. But कई conditions ऐसी भी होती है जिसमें acutely भी available हो सकता है. तो as a medical professional, you should know how to check the nail and nail angles for you. So this is very important sign, and we will demonstrate some. Most famous step is, and you can do it on your rounds as well, that is called Shamarot step. उसमें क्या होता है, आप अपने डिस्टल फैलिंग्स को डॉर्सली जॉइन करेंगे नेल्स को, एंड नेल्स के बीच में एक डायमंड शेप होल आएगा, राइट, एंड यू कैन सी इट. If the diamond shape is present, means you do not have clubbing. If the diamond shape is not present, means nail bed is bulging. That means clubbing is positive. तो दूसरी टेस्ट है लोवी बॉन्ड एंगल देखते हैं. दिस इज कॉल्ड द प्रोफाइल साइन. जैसे हम साइड प्रोफाइल देखते हैं हर किसी की फोटो खींचते हैं, वैसे हम नेल की भी साइड प्रोफाइल देखते हैं. हम ऐसे देखेंगे, अगर नेल ऐसा सीधा जा रहा है एंड इट इज इन नॉर्मल कर्वेचर, देन दिस इज नॉर्मल 160 डिग्री. अगर ये नॉर्मल नहीं होता तो थोड़ा सा ऐसा होता जिससे कि 180 डिग्रीज हो सकता है. आई विल शो यू द पिक्चर्स राइट नाउ. जो तीसरा टेस्ट है वो हम देखेंगे फैलेंजियल डेप्थ रेशियो. दैट मीन्स किसकी कितनी डेप्थ है. जो नॉर्मल होता है हम उसको कंपेयर करेंगे दूसरी फिंगर के डेप्थ से, या फिर दूसरे हैंड की फिंगर की डेप्थ से, या फिर किसी नॉर्मल इंसान की डेप्थ की फिंगर के हिसाब से. तो उधर डेप्थ होती है, ये वाला जो आपको एंगल दिख रहा है, यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक डेप्थ दिखाई जाती है, यहाँ से. तो वी विल चेक दैट. इफ इट इज़ इंक्रीज देन यस इट इज़ कॉल्ड क्लबिंग. आखिरी टेस्ट है दैट इज कॉल्ड फ्लक्चुएशन टेस्ट. तो अगर कोई जिसके फिंगर नेल्स में क्लबिंग है, अगर आप उसको इस तरह से प्रेस करेंगे तो वो फ्लोटिंग जैसा फील होगा, एंड देयर विल बी इंक्रीज्ड वैस्कुलैरिटी अंडर द नेल बेड. सो व्हाई डज द क्लबिंग एक्चुअली हैपन्स? And it is still in theories we do not have the exact answers, but the one of the most important theory is, the most common theory is increased blood flow and increased vascular blood flow and hypertrophy of the soft tissues. So we will definitely dive into the causes, because the most important part is watching it, identifying it, and making out why is it happening, what are the causes behind it. So we'll discuss it right now. 80% of clubbing cases is due to lungs and respiratory causes. So we will discuss the respiratory causes. The first most important cause is malignancies. There is bronchogenic carcinoma, there is mesothelioma, and of course metastasis is also there. Lungs, something is called suppurative diseases. One of this is cystic fibrosis, bronchiectasis, and abscess, and then empyema for a chronic period of time. It is also present in interstitial lung diseases and pneumoconiosis, asbestosis, and other chronic infections. Usually in COPD and asthma patients, clubbing is not present. If in case it is present, look for other causes like most probably lung cancer. Moving on to cardiovascular diseases, you know, there are many genetic diseases. One of them is tetralogy of Fallot, another is transposition of great arteries. In these cases we also find clubbing in these cases. So see clubbing in infective endocarditis and also in atrial myxoma. Let's not forget about the gut. So the gut causes are, you can get celiac diseases and GI malignancies and also inflammatory bowel disease. You can see also clubbing in hyperthyroidism. You can something get acropathy, and in which you will get definitely clubbing, and then you can get in other malignancies also in chronic infections like HIV, AIDS. So now this is the important part. If clubbing is happening only to the one side, then it is probably because of any vascular cause. Unilaterally, you can get Pancoast tumor, which is affecting your brachial plexus, and hence you're getting the clubbing. And then you can also get it affected in any kind of subclavian artery aneurysms, and also in previously stroke patient with hemiplegia. So now you have identified clubbing. So what will you do now? Why we have identified? What are your suggestions? Do tell me in the comments below. There are some things that looks like clubbing and probably are not clubbing. So we will try to differentiate between them. In hypertrophic osteoarthritis, you'll definitely see clubbing. But beyond that, you'll also see new bone formations. You'll have bone pain. You'll have bone issues as well. And you can see it in X-ray as well, that there are some new bone formation there. You can see koilonychia in iron deficiency anemia. In that, the nails becomes like spoon, and it is because of iron deficiency only. And there is something called onycholysis, in which nail beds get separated from its nail bed. So what happens in it? Because of some infection, be it bacterial infection, be it fungal infection, you'll get that finding and treat for the same. Something called yellow nail syndrome, in which your nails will be yellow, thick. Because of why? Because of pleural effusions, because of some chronic infections. But it is not. Digital clubbing is one of the most important signs in modern medicine, that even without any investigations, you can figure out what will be happening or what might be happening in the patient. So you need to know everything about it. And let's not forget, we are medicos and we need to know everything about medicine. Next time you're examining a patient, make sure to take a moment to look at those fingertips, and that might just tell you more than you expected. Thanks for watching the video, and please do subscribe.